Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to join a Discord voice chat on your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So with the PlayStation 5 recently, they came out with the option on the Discord app using your phone to transfer the call to your PlayStation 5. However, there's not an option on there to transfer the call to your PlayStation 4. But there is a workaround that you can go ahead and do. So I have my PlayStation 5 headset right here, and there is a 3.5mm headphone jack on this headset. And what I can do is use a splitter cable and two auxiliary cables, and you want to go ahead and get an auxiliary cable with 3 lines on it. So you see these 3 black lines. The third one indicates that a microphone can be utilized with your auxiliary cable. So make sure that option is available to you. Then you want a splitter cable with the same exact setup. 3 little lines on here, and that's an indication that you can use your microphone. Then plug in your auxiliary cable to the splitter cable and plug the other end into your headset. Now you could use a standard just ear pods if you want to go ahead and do that. Otherwise you can plug in your fancy headset. And then let's plug in the other auxiliary cable to the second output here. So I'm going to plug the other end into my phone. Then the other one goes into my headset. And then the 3.5mm jack goes into our controller, just like this. So this is the setup. It's connected to the controller. Then it splits the audio between my headphones and my phone here. Now what I can do is just join the party chat on Discord. So I have Discord open now, and I'm just going to join a voice chat. So here is a voice chat. You can see I have the join option on PlayStation, Xbox. Let's just join the voice chat. Alright, excellent. So I'm in the voice chat channel now. Now I'm going to join a voice chat on my PlayStation. So let's go to start party and go to closed. And then just choose a party to join. So let's choose this one. So I'm in a party chat now, and you can see my microphone is working on there, and I am talking. And also at the same time, I'm talking in Discord. So you can see it's highlighting around my picture right there, and then it's highlighting on the quick menu here in my party chat. So I should be able to hear the party audio from PlayStation. So all the audio will now be in the same headset. So if this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.